Hello everybody! It's me again, your Inday Moriel. So guys, I'm so sorry sa aking background and of course sa aking pimples sa lips ko kasi sa sobrang daming ng tinubuan kung ng parte ng katawan, sa bibig ko pa talaga. So ngayon medyo nahihirapan ako mag-lipstick tapos mag-draw ng lipstick sa bibig ko dahil sa pimple na to. And I'm so sorry guys sa aking background because I'm here at my munting kamalig ng aking lola. And ngayon, for today's video guys, napag-isipan ko na I will join you guys sa aking vlog which is watching, and because tonight nanonood kami ng lights which is opening lights ng aming municipality which is Damina, and of course there's so many ganap there later. May mga events sila, may mga what do you call this, may mga programs, so may mga sad-sad. So later i-join ko kayo para at least this video has also a memories for us and para makita and the next na naman na generation. So ngayon guys, kailangan ko na lang mag-ayos kasi it's already 4:45 ng hapon and medyo mga 5:30 or 5 or 6 aalis na din kami to watch ng sad-sad nung pinsan ko kasi may sayaw sila sa kalsada. So ngayon medyo nahihirapan ako magsalita, pero ngayon is mag-aayos muna ako, mag-asikaso para matapos na, and of course magbabiyahe na din para makaproceed doon. So kailangan ko muna magbihis guys at mag-ayos, and bye! Hi guys! So ngayon, sa wakas, nakahanap na ako ng aking spotlight and lugar kung saan makakapag-vlog ako ng maayos ng makeup, which is yung ginamit ko is yung mga unan na pinaglalagay ko here so that makikita nyo ko na mag-makeup. So ngayon guys, after kong maglagay ng sunblock, and I also put a foundation in my blush on. It's not blush on, it is a foundation guys. So ngayon, this is my foundation and I have a mirror here so that makikita ko talaga yung nangyayari. So ngayon guys, yung pang makeup natin is pang night talaga yung mapapansin kasi if dark yung i-makeup ko, which is yung mga dark na colors, hindi makikita kasi ng madilim. So I'm done putting my foundation guys, as you can see. Ito siya. Medyo nabitin pa sa liig ko pero that's okay. And of course guys, sorry if yung kilikili ko medyo maitim pag ginaganto ko kasi maitim na bayagan pero okay guys, hindi pa tapos yan pero papakita ko sa dito ang finished product kasi sobrang daming agenda pa. Yung powder ko kukunin ko na kay nanay, and of course eyeliner ko, basta yung outcome na lang. So hi guys, this is my final look and for today's video, and this is me. Ibang angas na yung final nating look, and now we're preparing to go, and this is my outfit. This is so manang-manang guys. So see you later. We are just arriving. We're arriving because we have...
Gwapo, imo nga kamera ba?
So,
Blurred pa sa blurred. Oo, go ba?
we're here guys.
Gabang ay gab. To, imo sa...
We're vlogging for the memories. So maraming papatok right now. deep down and so hard talaga.
Gamising ka na.
Isel anay kita para mga perform ayad ang aton mga contestants. Please, 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 everyone, pali.
Gagi, abi ko si mama. Work is done. We're watching a tree and trees, and now it's another one. We're ikot-ikot because we are bored watching. And right now we're in front of the municipality. Ha?
Tambok-tambok?
Hindi mo na? And bus namin, pero pututan. Promise.
Yes, I swear.
Sulfur! I remember that time na may kasama pa ako noon.
Ino ka mo to ah? Ay, o gali.
Takod-takod a necklace in my neck. Great trouble. May mga kasunod. Because we're vlogging and we're shot.
Kasi ito yung kay Whitey Gatong ko na mo to.
Reason, guro? Why tinog ano ah? Sobrang daming tao inside. So ngayon, dito kami sa labas. Pwede ka man nagsaka. Tabunin natin kasi may merong... I'm hungry, guys. Babalik kami later pag yung sa pinsan na namin, which is the grade 12. And also, we're shy because there's a lot of people. It's so embarrassing vlogging like that. And so full of couples here. There's a lot of couples. Entrarang balay. Entrarang balay man so oh yun na Ran. In the green. Amura gusto ko namin kung ano isunod ang shape ka balay bala ng Christmas lights. Wala to timani nga dala. Pwede na makatanaw niyo. Malibot ta, balik siya tapos sulod ka ron. Babalik lang. Pogi. Walang pogi. Party? Wala ka ni kwarta, so wala kami kwarta. Dito ka. Di ba may aragyan to? May pasulod. Di ba to sa kilid? Kita mo ng sports complex. Tira. So crazy naman yung kaya. So shy. Ha? Nandun namin kung ayaw niya. Bukod naman yung kinaya. Pwede na dahil pa sa haganon. Mas may boy. Tatlo na nyo. Masunod ko. Like ano lang sa buwas. Lagi mo ba rin naman buwas? Hindi ah. Martes. Smells so bad. It's so very... Oh, so... Ha? Eh, opo. Dahil may gatlan na akong selfie. Christmas tree! Christmas tree! Christmas tree! Christmas tree! Crazy, crazy, crazy! Kathleen? Ano din oh? It's giving. Tanawa picture niyo, tanawa picture niyo. So a lot of people here and my hair is so messy na right now, but I can't use. No thanks. Here, backstage. Yay! Good luck, cousin. Good luck, cousin. Fighting. If the boobs is really big, you. It's a great smell. Udoy. She's missing. He's missing. He's missing. Guys, ano so many. Ako po ay isang third wheel na gutom, hindi pa pinapakain. isang third wheel. Third wheel na sa... Ha? Ang ganap ngayon ay ito ay nagti-third wheel sa dalawa mag-shota.
Jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh. Jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh.
Kulay rosas.
Dali na, dali na.
Okay,
Dali lang, dali lang.
question number 1. Best in costume. The best in performance. Champion. And Indonesian prize ang hindi malawag na gawa sa grade okay. Sige. Consolation. Thank you very much to the very honorable and the empowered woman, the epitome of public service.
Well, pa.
street food here. You can see I'm done sending because I'm so tired of walking. So ngayon guys, we're just chilling here in front of the church with these two couples and my mother, and we're preparing to go home because we're both tired. Us is tired, and this is the ano na lang, hindi, mamaya na lang pag-uwi. So hi guys, so we're home. Finally, we're home and I'm done washing my face and also my body, and right now nakauwi na kami sa wakas, and it's already 11:43 in the evening, and that's it for today's video. I hope you enjoy it guys, and don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. Bye bye. I'm gonna sleep now because I'm so tired and so sleepy. Bye.